All right, day 9. Day 9. We're about to leave the campground here in Enid, Mississippi. That's Enid Lake. And we've been logistically busy today trying to figure out where to get the bike worked on. So we are heading to South Haven, Mississippi, which is right below Memphis, Tennessee. So at the place, get the bike looked up. We already got a hotel because we're just going to stay there because we figure it's going to take a minute. But it's going to be an hour and a half-ish. I think it's roughly 60 miles. Alright, on to South Haven. Hadouken. I gotta get a new front tire. I should probably do that too. Man, my butt is hurting. This cushion. The greatest. Okay. Nothing's the greatest for as long as we're riding. Phone would have died here in just a hot second. So we got a hotel in South Haven, not too far from the shop. We're going to buy like that. It's also near all the food, but most importantly, near all the laundry. We have got to do some laundries. But most likely, you know, these last 2 days, these last 2 episodes before today is going to be pretty, and today, it's all going to be pretty, probably short, uneventful. You know, pretty scenery here and there, but we're having to skip a lot of the trail because of unforeseen issues, which is okay. I mean, we're taking a long trip across the country. That's fun in itself, especially on a motorcycle. But we got to ride a little bit of the trail every day except for one, so it's not that big of a deal. And in fact, yesterday, the parts of the trail that we rode yesterday, man, if it's all like that, I don't want to do it. It was hard, it was tough going. But today's episode is going to be about the same. We're just going to take the interstate. No, we're not. We are going to take highways. We're not taking the interstate. This little puny thing is not going to do well on the interstate. But we will take the highways all the way up to South Haven. So it's going to be about an hour and a half of ride to the South Haven. We're going to get the bike looked at. Hopefully it's all good. We're just assuming it's going to take a little longer than we are planning. By the time it's all finished, it'll probably be 4 o'clock anyway, which just means we'll have a couple of hours to ride, which also means we'd have a couple hours trying to find a place to stay, which means it would be literally about 45 minutes to an hour of riding, which is simply not worth all the trouble. So we are going to stay in South Haven tonight. Already have the hotel, and that's the plan. Hopefully we can see some pretty things on the way up. Make sure the lens is clean, so I have something to film. But I think day 9 is going to be quite uneventful. But anywho, let's roll.
Got the feeling in your bones, make you feel right at home. Honey, does it well, keep me dancing till I'm dead. 'Cause I could run a mile like this, head over heels, feels like this. The sun has got me on my track, I ain't never looking back. Voice will echo, need no phone. Ruled by the laws above, nature shows me, makes me taught. I could climb this mountain now, rise above the clouds and see where all the falls that kept me strong. Never did I mean no wrong, 'cause I ain't looking back. Ain't looking back. Ain't looking. Ooh. Ain't looking back. Ain't looking. Yeah. Ain't looking back. Ain't looking. Ooh. Ain't looking back. Ooh, ain't looking back. Ooh, ain't looking back. Ain't looking back. Ain't looking back. Ain't looking back. Ain't looking
Is this the one? Oh my gosh, I'm sore. Let's go find out. Okay, we have dropped the bike. Well, the bike's right there, but we're about to leave it. See you shortly. Huh? Yeah, it's fine. It's about 10 minutes from here too. So oh my gosh, it is warm here in Mississippi. Alright, so the bike is getting dropped off. They're going to work on the carb. They're going to soak it overnight. Also maybe fix an exhaust leak. And we'll check in on tomorrow. So right now I'm heading to the hotel to get checked in early, hopefully. And then take a shower and do some laundry. But we are now in South Haven. And South Haven is where we will stay. quick sign off just because I forgot to, so I need to. In a hotel tonight with this absolutely tremendous view. Applebee's? Yeah. Anyway. Oh, actually the bike's out there too. Just chilling off in the corner. We've had dinner. Repacking all my stuff. Make sure everything's gonna fit a little bit better than what it has been. Watching some TV and actually about to work on an episode. So, that's good enough for my sign off. See you guys tomorrow on day 10. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you all very soon.